friends, and welcome to Little Bitty Noggins. If you have been here before, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. Today we are going to be working on single crochet increases and two different kinds of decreases. So what I've done to start this out is I chained 11 and did 10 single crochets down my chain. And I've chained up one and I am fitting to turn my work so we can start working into these stitches here. So for our single crochet increase, basically all a single crochet increase is making 2 single crochets in the same stitch. So 2 single crochets right there. What happens when you do 2 single crochets into one stitch? Your 10 stitches turn into 11, or your 10 stitches can turn into 20. Depending on how many increases you do. So what I'm going to do is I am going to turn this from 10 stitches on this first row into 15 stitches on the second row. So we did 2 single crochets here. That's our first increase. Then we're going to do 1 single crochet in the next, and then 2 single crochets into the next one, like so. So I just increased twice, 1 here and 1 here. We're going to do 1 more single crochet there and then another single crochet increase here. So 2 single crochets into your stitch. 1 single crochet in the next, 2 single crochets after that. 1 single crochet in the next, 2 single crochets in the next after that for an increase. And then 1 single crochet into the last. All right, so if we take our work here, let's see, can we get it to focus? And we count the number of stitches. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have just turned these 10 stitches on the first row into 15 stitches on the second row, just by increasing in every other stitch. And you can, when you're working on amigurumi, a lot of times when you're working in the round, it will ask you to increase in each stitch in the second row. So if you start with 6 single crochet in a magic ring, it'll say increase in each stitch in the next. So you're turning those 6 stitches into 12 by doing 2 stitches per stitch in your first round. So to decrease, there are 2 methods you can do this in. There is a regular decrease, and then there's the invisible decrease. The invisible decrease is really great for amigurumi because it makes it to where you can't see the stitch. You can't see, like a regular single crochet decrease tends to be a little bit bulkier than a invisible single crochet decrease. And I am going to teach y'all how to do both of those right now. So to start, we're going to work on the regular single crochet decrease. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a single crochet in that first stitch there. And then I am going to single crochet decrease over the next 2 stitches. So this space here and this space here. 1 and 2. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my hook and yarn over and pull up that loop. And I'm going to do the same thing in the next stitch. So insert my hook, yarn over, and pull up another loop. So now I have 3 loops on my hook here. I'm going to yarn over 1 more time, and I'm going to pull through all 3 of those loops. So I have just turned those 2 stitches into 1 stitch right there. Then I'm going to single crochet into the next, and I'm going to do that 1 more time for y'all. So insert your hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. So now there are 3 loops on that hook. Yarn over again, pull through all 3, and we are down 2 stitches now. So where we would have had 6, we now have 4. All right, we're going to single crochet again. And now I'm going to teach y'all how to do an invisible single crochet decrease. So for this, you are only going to be working into this front loop right here. I don't know if you can see that. This loop right there and this loop right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our hook and insert it just into that front loop right there. And then we are going to kind of bend our work and insert it into the next stitch's front loop as well, like so. So we have 3 stitches or 3 loops on our hook, right? The first one and then the second one. We are going to yarn over and we're going to pull through those 2 loops, right? So now we've got 2 loops on the hook. We yarn over and we finish it just like a single crochet. All right, so we're going to do a single crochet here, and then I'm going to walk you through the invisible single crochet decrease a couple more times. So we insert our hook into that first front loop, insert our hook into that second front loop, yarn over, and pull through both of those front loops. Yarn over and finish like it was a single crochet. All right, and we're going to do a single crochet there and one more single crochet decrease. So insert our hook into the front loop, insert our hook into the other front loop, yarn over, and pull through both of those loops, yarn over, and finish like a single crochet. All right, so now we're going to look at our work that we've done. So we invisible single crocheted 3 times, and we did regular decreases. Sorry, invisible single crochet decreases 3 times, and a regular decrease twice. So we have subtracted out 5 stitches. Let's see if our count is correct. We should have 10 stitches here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we went from 10 stitches to 15 stitches in the next row, and then down to 10 stitches in that one. So those are the basic rules of doing single crochet increases and decreases. And yeah, I hope this was a helpful tutorial. Hopefully it will help you with your amigurumi projects and all that fun stuff. I hope y'all liked it. If there are any other basic crochet tutorials that you would like to see, please leave them in the comments. I love to make videos for y'all. I love helping new crocheters learn how to do new things. It's amazing. So I hope this came in handy for you. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share with your friends who would like to learn how to crochet or who are learning how to crochet. That would be amazing. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and learning something new, and I will see you all again next time. Bye, friends.